Subscribe to Rohin's channel and press the bell icon to watch latest tech videos firstly.
What's going on, guys? This is Rohin. You are watching All About Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you the Trepn Profiler app. This is an amazing app. It will show you the analytics of everything: CPU 1, CPU 2, CPU 3, CPU 4 usage and overload usage, temperature, network development, and everything it will show you. But it will show you exactly, because it was made by the Qualcomm Snapdragon company, and it's by Qualcomm. That's why it's amazing, and I'm using it a couple of days and I noticed that it's a true app. So without wasting time, let me just open it and I'll show you this. It's an amazing app. This is the settings, data points, battery remaining percent it will show, and another thing, overlays. Let me just show you. This is the network activity. It will show you. Here you can detect every off powers times in second, in 15 seconds. Here you can see. You can increase or decrease it at your choice. And this data service, send, idle, received, how much, it will show you the exact thing. Wi-Fi off. And let me just show you another thing in advance. Profile app. Here you can see recently profiled applications, installed applications. Profiled because I'm recording from this app, that's why. And guys, it's an amazing app, seriously, because I'm using it a couple of days and I noticed that it's not laggy. It's amazing. It will show you the exact things. Analyze, run, no session found on device. Okay. And guys, this is what I'm talking about. Hope you like the video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Comment for another video of your choice. I'll see you in the next video. So goodbye and have a nice day. Bye bye.